It's a beautiful day outside, and I'm here packing and shipping off some boxes, and package arrived. I thought I'd open her up and see what's in the box today. Need to maybe get a stand for the phone or something. Is, of course, well, I say of course because it says it on the box, but anyone that didn't see it, it's the Silver Rathalos Prime. I've got a few of these. Seem to be pretty good. Very plain boxes, as you can see. But yeah, very good figures, I think. Anybody that's interested, let me know. It's up on the website or everywhere else. Alright, cheers, until next time, bye.